Since 2019, the University of Edinburgh staff and students have been involved in the Hedgehog Friendly Campus campaign. And this is a UK-wide initiative across university campuses and colleges across the UK. We're happy to say the University of Edinburgh has gained silver status in that scheme, and we're going for gold. And this is really important because the hedgehog population across the UK has declined by the 50% in the last 20 years. And so what we have done here at the university is students and staff have been involved in litter picks for the benefit of hedgehogs and other wildlife. We've built hedgehog homes for the hibernation period. And at the same time, we've also surveyed for hedgehogs, looking at their footprints across various sites of the university. Today, we're here at Pollock Halls, which is a site that houses approximately about 2,000 students. And we've had students and staff involved across the university across the 3 years we've been running this in terms of surveys, where we have surveyed hedgehogs and their footprints across the site. I'm very happy to say we do have hedgehogs here, and we're looking in years to come to expand this and do all we can and improve the habitat we have here for our wildlife. I'm sure you're excited to make your own hedgehog tunnel. Here are two hedgehog champions to show you how it's done.
Hi everyone, I'm Gary. I am the second year student in sociology, and I am the sociology program representative for second year. And today we are here as a volunteer, and I am one of the hedgehog champion. One of the reasons become of a champion is I love animals, and in my hometown Yunnan, there is lots of type of animals in Yunnan, so I want to protect the hedgehog here. That's why I'm being a volunteer here.
Hi everyone, I'm Jenny. I'm the postgraduate student in geoscience school, and I work here to be a volunteer since I really love nature and love the hedgehogs, and I'm so interested in this project, so that's why I want to be here to protect the animals.